Have you heard that Russia recently shot down an unidentified flying object? Well, we are here to tell you the story of what happened and what we know about this mysterious incident. So sit back and relax as we take you on this journey to uncover the truth of what happened. Recently, the Russian military has made headlines with an unexpected announcement. They claim to have shot down a UFO in the southern Russian region of Rostov. This news has sparked debate and speculation among experts and civilians alike, as many people are wondering what this could mean for our understanding of extraterrestrial life. The event took place on January 3rd over the skies of Russia's over the village of Sultan Sala in the Myasnikovsky district. According to reports from local media sources, a mysterious object was spotted by radar operators at one of Russia's air defense bases before being intercepted by fighter jets and shot down shortly thereafter. The incident was reportedly witnessed by several nearby residents who reported seeing a bright light followed by an explosion in the sky. Vasily Golyabev, the governor of Rostov Oblast, wrote on Telegram that a small-size object in the shape of a ball had been discovered flying in the wind at an altitude of around 1.5 miles on January 3rd. With the object spotted above the village of Sultan Sala in the region's Myasnikovsky district, Golyabev said the decision was taken to liquidate it. This event comes after years of speculation surrounding UFO sightings all over Russia as well as other parts of Europe, such as Norway's infamous Black Triangle sighting, which sparked international intrigue but never received any official confirmation from either government involved at that time, nor did they deny its existence. While we can only speculate whether these events are linked somehow or if this recent occurrence really does involve alien technology, what remains certain is that people everywhere will be watching closely for more information on this strange development coming out from Moscow soon enough. Naturally, with Ukraine currently being a war zone, drones and other military aerial weaponry is to be expected. But the Ukrainian astronomers reported that they have observed dozens of UFOs that cannot scientifically be identified as known natural phenomena. While some speculate that it may have been a meteorite or other natural phenomenon that caused such excitement, others believe it could be evidence of alien activity in our atmosphere, something which would certainly be cause for celebration if true. However, there is no concrete evidence either way yet, so we can only wait until more information is released about this strange occurrence before drawing any conclusions on its origin or implications. In recent months, there have been reports of mysterious pitch-black phantom UFOs spotted in the skies over Ukraine. Witnesses have described these UFOs as completely dark, with no visible signs of propulsion, and seemingly able to maneuver in ways that suggest they are not of this earth. Some have also reported that these UFOs have been seen zooming at incredible speeds, though they make no sound as they do so. Ukrainian authorities have been investigating these sightings, though so far there has been no official explanation for what these mysterious craft may be. However, the sheer number of reports, combined with the lack of any recognizable features on the craft, has caused some to speculate that these UFOs could be of extraterrestrial origin. Reports of UFO sightings have become increasingly frequent in recent years, with many citizens claiming to have seen unusual objects in the sky. While these claims have yet to be substantiated by any scientific evidence, many researchers remain open to the possibility of extraterrestrial life and the potential implications that come with it. Despite the lack of hard evidence, reports of UFO sightings have increased significantly in recent years and continue to be taken seriously by many in the scientific community. Governments around the world have taken note and established task forces to investigate potential sightings and attempt to uncover the truth. While the truth behind these reports remains largely unknown, the prevalence of UFO sightings is an intriguing subject that deserves further scientific investigation. Regardless though, it's clear that this story has captivated public attention across borders, proving once again just how important space exploration remains even today. It seems like every year brings us closer to uncovering new secrets about our universe. Let's hope whatever happened over Russia will help bring us one step closer towards unlocking those mysteries too. Let us know your thoughts in the comments down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe and watch other interesting videos on our channel.